Hey everyone! Welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bar chart in Excel step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn boring data into a professional-looking chart that's easy to understand and ready to present. Here, I have a simple sales table with two columns, one for the product name and one for the sales amount. For example, I have laptop, mobile, tablet, headphones, and smartwatch, along with their sales in rupees. Make sure your headings are clear, because Excel will use them automatically in the chart. Now, click and drag to select your data, including the column headings. This is important, because it helps Excel know exactly what to plot on the chart. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Charts group, you'll see different chart icons. Click on the bar chart icon. You'll notice options like clustered bar, stacked bar, and 3-D bar. Once your chart appears, you can customize it. Click on the chart title and type something more descriptive, for example, Product Sales Report. You can also right-click the bars to change colors, add data labels, and even change the bar width. If you want to switch from horizontal to vertical bars, just go to the Chart Tools, click Change Chart Type, and choose a column chart instead. If you are presenting, adding data labels above each bar makes it easier for your audience to understand the numbers without looking back at the table. Finally, once you are happy with your chart, save your Excel file. And that's it. You've created a beautiful bar chart in Excel from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.